Hello, friends, and welcome back. Today, I've got a new project that I want to cover, and this recommendation was by Meili. Hope I'm pronouncing the name right. We're reviewing IOTX today. Let's take a look at what's happening with the chart and my overall prediction and opinion on the project. So, if we take a look here, if we do zoom out for IOTX, we can see that overall we have here a structure of a support at about 0.087. We can see that this level here is very crucial because this price has been bouncing off of these levels for several times. We can see that here overall in the 1 hour as well. We can see that we had an uptrend that was created when we broke the levels here of resistance. We can see that levels of resistance were about 0.109, and this level again is very crucial because if you take a look here, we can see that price has been bouncing off of these levels for several times. We can see that when we do zoom in, price has been consolidating as of now, but we can see that we had here a high of about 0.125 recently on March 31st. So we can see that right after we were in a downtrend. So we are currently on a downtrend for IOTX. We can see here that we are not breaking the level of 50 MA. We can see that overall we are approaching a level of RSI as well in the 1 hour. So this could be a good opportunity, but just keep in mind that since we are under the 50 MA, this could be risky as well. If you are looking to get into the project, if you are dollar cost and average, then this might be a great opportunity if you are taking a look at this as for the long term. But when we zoom out, we can see that, like I stated, overall we had a high here of about 0.176. We can see that right after. Look at this here. So if we do zoom in, this is something that I don't like when I see with projects that like slowly. I want to see slowly projects increasing in price because usually when we have this spike here, like we had on February 22nd, we usually just go back down. A lot of people got in here in the fear of missing out, and then when they came up here, a lot of investors just dumped their coins and drove price down here. As we can see, we also had a similar occurrence as you can see here, and this right here, when I'm taking a look at this, guys, you can see here that the volume was just decreasing. Okay, volume here was decreasing very substantially. It wasn't too much happening here. You can see that price wasn't we had some spikes happening here at about 0.13, but we can see right after since look at the spike from right after, we can see that we were consolidating to about 0.09, and this level was very crucial because we haven't broke that level for several months, as you can see. But now if we take a look here, take a look at what happened, guys. This spike here needed to have a correction. It's usual. Like if a spike like this happens in a short period of span, as you can see here from about November to about November 5th, guys, this in 2 days for for the price to go up that much, there has to be a rebound that happens. Okay, so please take a look here, and when you're making your prediction and when you're getting into projects, make sure that you're analyzing everything that's happening. Make sure that there's the charts look healthy, that the prices is increasing little by little, but not like this. And because when you take a look here, if you got in on about November 4th, you would have thought this was a great opportunity. Price is increasing. We are over the 50 MA, but guys, look at this. We are very overextended here as well. So price was gonna, it had to come back, and for price to go up like this in 2 days, only 2 days, it has to come back. We can see here that price after we had this consolidation from the 0.23 fib to about almost the lowest, but at 0.786, which we held, which was great, indicating that price could continue and also react off of these levels, which was nice to see. We saw again price retest back to 0.236, which was a recent resistance that we had. As you can see here for IOTX, we can see that this price here has respected that level. We wicked up there trying to come back at these previous levels here. But take a look here. So in a span of 10 days, we reacted off of these levels again, came up, and then we consolidated, creating a double top as you can see here. But not only that, price, right after we saw volume now decreasing. We haven't seen this much volume happening for IOTX. We can see that every time it spikes up in that short period of span in about 1 to 2 days, we can see price comes back right down. Okay, so as you can see, history does repeat itself. We have here the similar things happening, coming back down. So what I want to see is a change for IOTX. We have here the same pattern, guys. We have the spike in about 2 days. As you can see here, this big spike, waking up there to about 0.17 from 0.094 in a span of 2 days. So please be cautious when you're taking a look at projects and you want to get into it. I'm not saying this is a bad project or anything. I'm just saying I want to see, since we are coming down now to a level of support that's very crucial, because this was where we saw volume coming in, as you can see here at about March 16th, okay, 0.088. We saw this big spike happening, and overall we are consolidating in the resistance level at 0.11. We could see that we had this we were respecting the 50 MA, which was great. Okay, we saw that means that the trend was continuing at this level here. But once we broke this pattern to the descending triangle, we could see we consolidated and we made a level of double bottoms here, as you can see, and price coming back down to 0.0866 and respecting that level. But previously we just broke that level, guys. So that's why I'm saying to please be cautious if you're looking to get into it. We have here a level of resistance now at 0.083. So just keep that in mind. If we do come back, retest that level, we could see hopefully a breakup structure to the 50 MA. But if we do test back and consolidate from there, then price can continue to the downside. Okay, guys, just a quick update on the IOTX. If you do have other projects that you would love for me to analyze it and also say my prediction about it, please let me know. All feedbacks are very welcome. And thank you, everyone, for all the support. And I hope to see you on the next one.